Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maya. I'm a writer, therapist and spiritual teacher. Today I will share some reminder how to glow up mentally. This is honestly the first step to glowing up. So your mind needs to believe that you are becoming someone new, that you are worthy of everything you want in life. This is so important and so beautiful. This will trigger a chemical in your brain to naturally believe it more every day. The steps to becoming a hotter, smarter, and more confident person are easy. So, start thinking like future you. Dress, walk, and talk like future you. Remove all that weight. Prioritize only the things that will get you farther in your life. Maybe wardrobe reflects. Okay, achieving ultimate glow up means investing in your looks also. People cannot know we are smart and full of potential if we aren't approachable. So, first impressions do count. So, make sure you are filling your wardrobe up with timeless pieces. It doesn't have to be expensive, Chanel bag or something like that. Just put together. And having this clean look leaves you feeling fancy but minimal and soft at the same time. Also, when we dress well, it is 100% reflection. It reflects in our mood. Besides, there is always time for a quick Insta-worthy picture, of course. Buy those outfits, do your hair, invest in your face and body. You won't regret it. And always choose yourself. Transforming into a new vibe can leave people shocked. Especially the haters. Lucky for you, starting your glow up will make these haters very easy to identify. So, once you find out who they are, drop them. There is no room for self-doubt or anxiety. Our priorities are being happy, taking care of ourselves and working on our future. And thank you for watching this episode, this video, this mindful rise reminder. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel, like and share it with your friends. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm so excited to hear what topics interests you and what you would like me to create for you in the future. See you in the next episode and have a wonderful day.